Hi everyone, miss me? I know you have. I've missed you all so much as well. I did do a mini life update in the form of a YouTube Shorts video. I will link that up above. But today's video is another color contact lens review. Yay! From the company Icoice. I've seen their lenses be reviewed here on YouTube a few times. So when they reached out to me and wanted to send me 12 pairs of lenses to review, I said yes, of course. So here are all of the lenses labeled, and I have shown them all in natural lighting for you all to tell me which ones were your favorite, of course, which ones you liked the most, which ones you didn't like. And of course, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Here you go.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain hidden in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, yeah, radiate, but now we're drowning.
Okay, so let me know honestly which ones were your favorite and which ones weren't. Which ones are you interested in getting and which ones you will pass on. Let me tell you which ones were my favorite while showing you up close shots as I usually do. Really quickly, here is their website. I will put it up on the screen right here. They have so many different color contact lenses, so many different colors, so many different collections. Definitely check them out, and everything will be linked in the description box down below. Here is my coupon code with them. They were kind enough to give me a coupon code for you all to get some extra money off. And now let me tell you which ones were my favorite and which ones weren't my favorite. So for the lenses that were my favorite, I absolutely loved the ocean green, polar lights brown, polar lights gray, the Russian blue, the smoky gray, as well as the smoky marble brown. I also love the savage gray lenses the most, which are the ones that I am wearing right here. The smoky marble brown as well as the ocean green were two of my favorites out of all of the lenses that I reviewed. I absolutely love how stunning and beautiful they look. All of the contact lenses are so soft. They are very comfortable. And I just overall really like the lenses from this company. But the colors were so gorgeous. All of the ones I mentioned, I absolutely love those colors because they were very natural. They still let my natural eye color poke through, so you could see my natural eye color, but blended with the colors. They were so beautiful. The ocean green and the smoky marble brown, as well as the polar lights brown, were my favorite. The polar lights brown, I love that they weren't too bright, you know what I mean? Like, they were very toned down and natural, but I absolutely love that about these lenses, as well as the smoky marble brown. They were very toned down and super natural looking. The ocean green are very green, very bright and pretty, but they're not too bright. Do you know what I mean? They're very natural green. The polar lights gray as well as the Russian blue were also very pretty colors. The polar lights gray, you know, gray is a very hard color to pull off. I thought they pulled it off pretty well. And the Russian blue, super stunning and pretty. The other lenses were a little bit more opaque, so I didn't like them as much. So I feel like if you have dark eyes, you'll probably like those lenses more. I like more of a natural lens, as you all know from being here on my channel. And if you are new, hi, I'm Lizette. I love a natural lens. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below which lenses were your favorite as well as why. Do not forget to check out the description box. I will have everything linked there, as well as a coupon code for you to check out Icoice's colored contact lenses, and check out their website. They have so many different colors and they are all so pretty. Definitely check out my previous YouTube Shorts video where I show you how these lenses look. I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.